my god! Anyway, guys, welcome back. I almost burped. Welcome back, guys. It's your boy, Kano Tricks. I ran out of breath because I ran upstairs just to make this video. My computer fell on the ground, but, I'm okay with that because it has case on, but, well, I hope it didn't break. But anyway, welcome back, and guys, this is, I just gave a shout out to Nick, friend of mine. Oh yeah, guys, if you comment on my videos, like I have done other shout outs, if you comment on my videos with a nice comment, or give me nice, come on, Kaden, think, yeah, come on, if you give me nice credit, or like my videos, or subscribed, I'll give you extra credit if you subscribed. You're a loser if you didn't subscribe. I'm kidding, I like you all, even my haters. Wait, the haters don't like me, but I like them. How does that work? Who knows? But, do I even have haters? Probably only have like 5 because I'm not that, I haven't been on YouTube a long time. But, it's almost been a year since almost been half a year I've been on YouTube. In June 2015, June 13th, 2015 will be a full year I had YouTube. I'm excited. Oh, let me close this. Okay. Alright. So, I wonder where my dog is. What the heck was that noise? That was pretty weird, guys. I'm gonna go check it out, and I really need to go to the bathroom. I'll be right there. Yeah, I don't know what that noise was. Yeah. Maybe every time I make a mystery question, it will come. Huh, ready? I wonder if you guys like me. The heck? I wonder, Donald Duck has a weird face, right? What the heck?